The Samsung Galaxy S9 will be announced in late February, but its retail box has just leaked out and now we know the full specs for the phone. Hello guys, I'm Vic Christoph with PhoneArena, and for the first time we now have a reliable picture of what Samsung's next phone will look like and what will be its key features. The Samsung Galaxy S8 and the S8 Plus were two very successful phones in 2017, and this year Samsung will also launch two phones, the Galaxy S9 and the bigger Galaxy S9 Plus. The two phones will look very similar to the current Galaxy S8 series. Edge-to-edge bezel-less screens, glass back, metal construction, but one important little thing will change. This is the fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy S8, positioned weirdly to the side of the camera, hard to reach and just uncomfortable, probably the biggest pain point of using the phone. The Galaxy S9 will have that fixed. Samsung moves the fingerprint reader below the camera in a much more natural position where your index finger naturally stays and you can easily unlock the phone. But the biggest change in the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus seems to be the camera. First, rumors all agree that the Galaxy S9 Plus will have a dual rear camera, with one regular wide-angle unit and a secondary telephoto shooter that you use for the blurred background portrait effect. This is the setup that we have already on the Galaxy Note 8, and this is what we will likely have in the S9 Plus. The smaller Galaxy S9 will have just the main wide-angle camera, but it is this wide-angle camera that will get completely overhauled. Samsung will be the first phone maker to introduce a variable aperture lens for this camera. Now bear with us as we explain what this means. The aperture of the camera defines how open the lens is and how much light gets onto the camera sensor. All current smartphones have a fixed aperture, meaning that the lens stays open at the same level all the time. The Galaxy S9 will be the first modern phone where the aperture can change. It will have two settings. f1.5 will be the wider setting that lets more light in and is suitable for nighttime shooting. And f2.4 will be the second, narrower setting where less light gets through, but you have sharper detail, more suitable for daylight shots. This super wide angle camera enables another cool new Galaxy S8 feature, super slow-mo. Yes, you would be able to record Matrix-like effects with your phone with a very high frame rate. The other important part is the screen of the phone. The S9 will have a 5.8-inch display while the S9 Plus will feature a 6.2-inch screen. Interestingly, while the S9 remains almost unchanged, the S9 Plus is actually said to have even thinner bezels. Both will use Super AMOLED screens with a sharp Quad HD resolution as well. There is one more cool new feature in the S9, dual stereo speakers. Sound quality via the loudspeaker was way below average on the S8, and we were hoping Samsung fixes this. And it seems that the company has listened. The S9 and S9 Plus should have much better sound quality. Next up, the phones will run on the Samsung Experience interface on top of Android 8.0 Oreo, feature water resistance, and will come with a pair of AKG headphones in the box. They will support wireless charging as well as USB-C, and yes, they will keep that still useful headphone jack. Under the hood, the S9 and S9 Plus are said to be powered by Qualcomm's new and faster Snapdragon 845 with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of onboard storage that is expandable via microSD cards. And this is a pretty comprehensive picture of the new Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Samsung will officially unveil them at Mobile World Congress 2018 in Barcelona at the end of February, and we will be there to give you a first look. Thanks for watching this video, hit that like button if you enjoyed it, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and I will catch you in the next one.